Hi guys, this is your Shramni Sachin, professional digital marketer. Today I came back with to you again with some interesting topic which you all likes about it. That is nothing but how to make your Instagram profile private and how to make your personal profile into business profile. Are you all thinking about I'm not showing any PPT? Yes. So some features of Instagram are not available on laptop. That is why I'm going to share this tutorial on mobile app itself. That is why I'm not going to share any PPT right now, and I'm going to share you the important things orally, and I'm going to show you how to make your personal account private and how to switch your personal account to business account. Why it is important to you're all thinking about why she is saying all these things. Instagram profile creation is very simple. As we all know, I knew that 99% of you people who are watching this video knows that how to create Instagram profile. So Instagram has a huge demand today for marketing purposes. Organic reach on Facebook is almost dead. Then people are shifting to Instagram. It is video specific. It is visual specific. Visuals attracts more attention than text. So you can make the infographics on the Instagram. That is why it's very important for your business to catch the attention of the users through Instagram. But what is the use of having privacy? You all know that privacy account means those who would like to follow your account, they will send you the follow request. Once you accept it, then only they are able to follow your account. So in order to make your account more secure, we are making our accounts private. So without getting late, I will show you how to create Instagram account private. So simply log into your Instagram profile. So I have created one specific account, okay, for this tutorial purpose. That is why it is showing you no post, no followers. So I am going to make this account private. As of now, this is public. Anybody can follow it. How to make it? You just simply log into your personal account, and the three stripes you are looking at the right side, or right side top of the page. You just click on the three dots, three lines, and go to settings. Here you are seeing a lot many options: notifications, privacy, security, ads, account, help, about, theme. So everywhere it would be there. But in this specific video we are talking about the privacy of the account and how to switch your personal account to business account. So by clicking on the, first of all we will see about how to make your account secure. Just click on the privacy. Yes, account privacy, and then go to account privacy. It is in public mode. I am making it private. See here, notification is coming. When you make your account private, it the people are able to follow once you accept the request. Okay, I'm clicking on OK. It's that simple to make your account private. Then while coming to how to make your personal account professional. In order to create a business account, first of all you should have a personal account. Without having a personal account, you can't create the business account. For the Facebook also and for Instagram also, you are not able to create business account without having a professional account. What is the difference between the professional account? I will show you. First of all, I'm clicking on the home page. Go to your profile. Here, except the edit profile button, you are not able to see any tabs. But for the business account, you want to analyze, you want to see the insights of the behaviors of the people. How many people it has reached, the particular post has reached, how many people has got reacted to it, how many insights has happened. In order to show, in order to see all these things, you have to switch to the professional account. Unless until you have switched to the professional account, you are not able to track the analytics, I mean performance of the post, which is most important to optimize your post to reach it to more number of people. So now I am going to make my personal account into professional account. Just click on the three horizontal lines on the top right of the page. Click on settings. Click on account. Here in the bottom of the page, you are looking an option called switch to professional account. Just click on switch to professional account. So which type of account it will suits you, creator or business? I'm going with business. If you are providing the services, if you are a local business, unless until you are a content writer kind of thing, if you are doing creative shops, content producers, influence marketing, affiliate marketing, if you are doing such kind of things, you can go with creator. Unless until you have a physical store or a you are doing with products or services, you can go with business. So I'm clicking on the next button here. See, I'm just clicking on the continue. See, the main feature of this business account is you can get the insights of your followers and the reach of your post, performance of your post. That is what I have told you. Reach your customers. It will, that means you are able to create account ads on business account. So which kind of service you can select your service, whether you are into marketing or personal blogging, any kind of service, whichever suits to your personal profile, I mean professional, whichever suits your business, you can choose that option from this. Sales and marketing, otherwise marketing and advertising. So many you can click, you can type in the search button and you can make it done. See, you cannot make your account private in business account, but I have shown you how to secure your personal account with the help of the privacy settings. When you are turning it into the business account, you can't make your profile private, so you have to accept that condition. So I am just creating my business account. It's that simple. You just go to the settings and click on switch to professional account, and then you can switch on next. That's it. You, if your profile suits the creator, otherwise if your profile suits to business, choose the option whichever suits your profile and just click on the next button. So if you are switching to business account, your account is not anymore secure, I mean not anymore private. If you limit your account to private, the number of followers will not. See, we are making our business profile, we are making our business profile to reach to lot number of people, to that is possible only when the profile is public. If your profile is public, anybody can follow you. If your content is very interesting, engaging, so people will get more engaged with your post and people will follow you more, which is more important for the branding, for the business building, to gain more and more users, to gain more and more business. So if you have a business address, you can give it here. I'm just typing. Sorry guys, you have to adjust with the video because I'm doing it from the mobile itself to show you as much as possible. You just put your address and just click on the page. So if you have already have a page, if you would like to connect it to Facebook, you can connect. If you would not like to connect it to Facebook, you just click on the don't connect to Facebook button. Okay, if you would like to connect it to your Facebook page, you can do with your previous option. Otherwise, you just click on don't Facebook buttons. Yes, now you can observe the changes. Here you are able to promote, you are able to check the insights of your post, you are able to give the contact button so that people can click on the contact button and connect with you easily. So this is what the change of view. Personal account is different from the business account. If you want to make your account more professional, so with what is the difference between professional business account and the personal account? Personal account, you have that privacy option, and with the business account you don't have, because we are using this business profile to check the performance of the post, to reach the more number of users, to conduct the promotions, to connect with the users, to make the users engage. All these options will be available only with the business accounts. Is that simple the business account creation is. I hope you guys understood it. So if you have any doubts regarding a business page creation or a privacy account or a personal page creation of Instagram, you just direct message me on my Instagram profile. So my Instagram profile is at the rate of digital underscore Shravani. You can follow me on my Instagram page, and you can direct message me for any queries regarding this Instagram marketing. Thank you. Bye bye.